everyone! We wanted to share with you what we did during Easter Sunday last week. We went to Batangas Lakelands to make kids fair event. Tapos may pa-bus tour na kasama sa package na nakuha namin for that day. The ride was 15 minutes per way. And that tour took us to the Amore Dock Point. Ang ganda ng ambiance, ang arte. Then you can take pictures and just walk around with your family. And our baby bunso gave me a mini heart attack. The view was breathtaking. Siyempre magaganda rin yung mga anak ko. Manang-mana sa mommy. Feel ko maglakad sa dock. Tapos tumakbo si Raven kaya nadapa ako sa huli. Buti na cut. Ang only boy namin, laging kasama si Raven. Buti si baby bunso, very active. Tapos nakita na pwede umakyat sa taas. Hanggang dito lang ako sa dock kasi nahihilo na talaga ako niyan. Nung bumalik na kami sa fair, iniisa-isa ni Raven ang mga bouncy inflatables. And since it's Easter, may egg hunt activity. For me, hindi siya yung highlight ng day. Ito yung highlight is yung cake decorating activity na ginawa ng mga kids and it's also part of the package already. It's simple lang pero nag-enjoy sila. There were plenty outdoor activities like biking and play plays like this for small kids. Tapos may mga parlor games that you can do with your kids, so it's really more on spending time with them. Walang mga prizes, pero ang nakukuha mo is your core memories with your family. Super init that day. So suggest ko pupunta kayo sa mga ganitong area, bring a handheld fan na fully charged. Buti na lang prepared ako with my outfit, pero hindi ako prepared sa physical activities na ganito. Kunyari po pedal tayo, pero hindi talaga. Dito ko na-realize na mahirap maging mommy. May Bubble Mania supposed to be sa schedule, pero hindi na kami nakapunta. Pero nakapaglaro naman si Raven dyan. Isa ito sa mga parlor games, yung mga hook a duck na siniscope out mo yung maliliit na ducks and you put it in a bucket. Overall, nag-enjoy yung mga kids ko, but more so kay Raven kasi I think yung age range na kailangan is around 8 and below para sulit yung play. She even gained a friend. Pero meron din for adult like tong archery. Bullseye for me. You can also feed the koi. Japanese koi daw, sabi ng husband ko. Hindi ko alam, feeling ko uso yung honeycomb. So yung mga kids ko, nung we were going to the place, may mga honey vendors kasi. Buti na lang may isa doon was kind enough to have us do a quick bee farm tour. It was a good day. It was a good Easter. Another core memory for us. Yun lang. Bye!